In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Elementor container clickable. This tutorial is perfect for those who want to enhance the user experience on their website by making certain sections more interactive. So, if you're ready to dive in, let's get started. First off, open your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the page where you're using Elementor. Once there, click on Edit with Elementor, and you'll enter the Elementor editing screen. As you might already know, Elementor is a dynamic and user-friendly tool that allows you to design stunning pages effortlessly. Now, what we're going to do is select the container or section that you want to make clickable. Click on the container so that it becomes highlighted. This is crucial because the next steps will involve modifying this particular section. Once you've selected your container, look over to the panel on the left of the screen. Here, you should see various tabs and settings. We are particularly interested in the HTML tag that is associated with your container. Locate the Advanced tab and select Custom CSS. CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, will add style and interactiveness to your section. You may want to have some understanding of CSS as it will help you tailor the clickable element precisely to your liking, though you don't need to be an expert to follow along today. Now, in the Custom CSS area, you need to create a clickable link. Type or paste this code: selector, cursor, pointer. This will change your cursor to a pointer when hovering over the section, a small touch, but one that lets visitors know that this section is interactive. Next comes the crucial part, adding the URL link that you want the section to direct to. It can be another page on your site, an external source, or even a file. Just input your desired URL into the ref attribute in this format: selector A width, 100 height, 100 position, absolute top, 0 left, 0 right, 0 bottom, 0. This CSS ensures that the clickable area covers the entire container, leaving no dead space. With these adjustments in place, you're almost set. Preview your changes using Elementor's preview option located at the bottom of the panel. This is an essential practice to make sure everything looks exactly as you intended. Inspect how the changes react when you hover over the container. Is the pointer icon appearing? Is the section leading to the correct link? Once satisfied, hit that green Publish or Update button to make your clickable container live to your site's visitors. And there you have it. With just a few tweaks, you've created a clickable container in Elementor that enhances navigation and interactivity on your website. Remember, user engagement often starts with small, thoughtful design decisions like these. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.